Surprising! Yet another lie by Amber Heard is exposed. Her insurance company sat in the courtroom and exposed her lying under oath about her legal fees. Her insurance firm recently sued her and they refused to help her further with her legal fees. So instead, she is all in debt because of her lies. She is all exposed. What lie did Amber Heard say? How did the insurance company expose Heard's lie in the courtroom? Keep watching to know more. Heard is all done. Pamela Johnson exposed herself, saying that the insurance company paid her legal fees and she did it. She claimed everything when Elaine Bredehoft claimed that Amber Heard was broke as she paid a hefty $6 million in her legal fees defending Mr. Depp's false accusations against her. Amber lied under oath, saying that she spent $6 million on legal fees. The insurance company then sued Amber Heard and has refused to pay further for her legal charges. They said that although Heard had a $1 million liability policy, the company claimed that she was not obligated to pay the amount if she committed wrongful, willful misconduct under California law. Following the verdict, the company allegedly claimed that Heard's actions were not only willful but also malicious. As a result, the New York Marine and General Insurance Company has now asked the judge to issue a declaration stating that they are not obligated to pay Heard's fees under the terms of the policy. Fans were expecting this, and they expressed their emotions via comments on social media, with a fan saying, "I'd have loved it if she'd said, 'Objection, Your Honor.'" Everyone is looking at AH's advice when it turns out to be this woman behind them. Another added that, how did she keep her cool when they lied about the money? One person said, "I don't believe that's Pamela Johnson. I saw a photo of her online, does not resemble her." A person replied that, "Search for Pamela Johnson Traveler's Insurance. Her LinkedIn profile will appear. It's obviously the same lady." Another comment says, "But why was the VP required to appear in court? Not that I agree with Amber, but insurance executives do not attend trials as spectators." A person stated in a reply that, probably because she was a difficult client who refused the lawyers they recommended and insisted on her own. Furthermore, they may be obligated to pay out in a multi-million-dollar trial. They are defending their own interests. One more user commented that, "I had no idea who that was. I assumed it was a friend of her mother's who was there to support her. Of course that would happen. Oh, scamber, scamber, scamber. Everything is coming home to roost, little girl." Another added that, "Spending your own money and spending other people's money can be used interchangeably." One more stated that, "It's not really her job to say, 'AH, we're paying your fees,' but you'd think they'd be a little smarter for an insurance company." Another added further, "So that's who this lady is. I was curious because Amber had no friends in the gallery and was speaking with AH's attorneys." One comment says, "Pamela bet on the wrong horse and is now looking for a return on her investment." Elaine is the same way. A user also said, "Netizens have warned you that your travel insurance rates will rise next year." One comment stated, "Oh no, I had no idea who this woman was. It feels like a major plot twist to discover she was a VP all along." A person made a comment saying, "During the trial when AH was testifying, that woman was signaling. I was surprised no one noticed." One added that, "Throughout the trial, I kept seeing her and wondering who she was. I assumed she was related to me." Another said, "I was curious about who she was. I assumed she was on Amber's side because she had accompanied her throughout the trial. But Camilla was crossing Amber and showing her lies when she was grinning in the background. I was perplexed as to why she seemed so happy when Amber was revealed." Another stated that, "So is there any repercussions for EB lying in court? Knowing fully well that AH wasn't paying their fees? Perjury is rampant." One more added, "I sincerely hope JD's team can find a way to stop their nonsense. They must stop talking and disappear. They're all of them, AH, EB, and their backers." Another statement says, "I assume the insurance company would not pay her legal fees. Scamber should leave and crawl back under a rock." On that, a person replied, "They will not pay her judgment and will most likely not pay her fees after June 30th. They've already paid up until that point. However, they may now sue to reclaim that." Another person added further that there are two insurance firms. Travelers has paid her attorney's fees thus far and is attempting to get New York Marine Company to pay $1 million, the policy's limit. But New York Marine refuses because the jury determined the defamation was a willful act, which is against the policy. One fan added, "Why is she not charged with perjury? She made fun of the legal system. She shouldn't be able to get away with all of the lies she's been caught in. Another stated, "Her expression irritates me. She's smirking there. It's no longer amusing. I hope these people are not compensated." Another added, "Elaine appears to have forgotten that it was Amber Heard who started the show that they received a tro, and all the BS since forced Johnny Depp to spend millions defending her false allegations against him." Why do you think the insurance company didn't expose them earlier? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more.